It takes 90 pairs of hands, more than 600 hours to design and to construct each Rolls Royce motor car before it is handed to its owner.
Our handcrafted approach is not informed by nostalgia.
It is shaped by our pursuit for absolute perfection.
وكما قال هنري رويس في قوله المشهور: لا تقبل ما هو تقريبا صحيح وما هو جيد بما فيه الكفاية.
Small things make perfection, but perfection is no small thing.
无论多么微小的事情，只要它是正确的，那么它都是尊贵的。
At Rolls Royce, we adopt beautiful fusion between contemporary process and age-old techniques.
We are our own fiercest critics.
Dedicated to the point of obsession.
We shape and reshape the world around us.
Challenging the impossible.
Leading from the front.
Our ingenuity is anything but expected.
And has elevated the spaces we've touched.
We create new realities from a world of inspiration.
Together, we inspire greatness.